Question number 4. Now we're back to talking about Mr. Baggy and the pet store that he owns. Mr. Baggy also has 9 birds, 15 snakes, and 12 turtles. I want you to show the number of snakes as a 10 and some ones with a number bond, a 5-group drawing, and a number sentence. So right now we're talking about his number of snakes. That's the only thing we need to worry about for this problem, okay? He has 15 snakes. I want you to show me that number, the number 15, as a number bond where 10 is a part, a 5-group drawing, and a number sentence. Again, show me the number 15 as a number bond with 10 and some ones, a 5-group drawing, so you'll show me a drawing of 15, and use those same numbers from your number bond to make a number sentence. I'll underline those 3 things that you need to have. You need to have a number bond, a drawing, and a number sentence.